Planning infrastructure without accurate location data can lead to delays, errors, and costly mistakes. GIS mapping transforms raw location data into powerful digital insights for smarter planning and execution. It works by collecting data from satellites, drones, and GPS, combining multiple layers into accurate and intelligent maps. From government departments to telecom, infrastructure, and smart city projects, GIS supports better decision-making across industries. With GIS, reduce risks, save time, and ensure accurate planning for successful project execution. Transform your projects with expert GIS solutions from MAPI IT Solutions. Contact us today.